Now we are going to start with the next topic and next conic, that is ellipse. So what is ellipse? A conic section with centricity, that is E, less than 1 is called ellipse. So now we are going to draw the figure of ellipse and form the standard equation of an ellipse. So the next topic is standard equation of an ellipse. So suppose S is the focus, L is the directrix, and E is the eccentricity of an ellipse. Let P be a point on the ellipse and let M be the foot of perpendicular from P to directrix L. So first of all we draw the diagram of ellipse to understand the concept of eccentricity. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is ellipse, and this is S focus, this is directrix L, this is point P. So join SP and draw PM perpendicular to L. So by definition, SP over PM is eccentricity and this is less than 1. So let Z be the foot of perpendicular from S to L, and let A and A dash be 2 points that SZ from S in the ratio E is to 1 and externally minus E is to 1 respectively. Thus, SA over AZ will be equal to E by 1 or SC dash over A dash Z is equal to E by 1. That is by external division by internal division. So what is SA? Distance of focus S from A. And what is AZ? Perpendicular distance of A from L. For this we will draw the diagram. Again, that is in the diagram, as we have x-axis, y-axis, and this is ellipse with S, P and directrix L and perpendicular M from P to M. As we said, Z is the foot of perpendicular from S to L, that is Z. And we have A and A dash, the 2 points we divide SZ from S in the ratio E to 1 and minus E dash to 1. So from the figure it is clear. Now if we see, C is the midpoint of AA dash. Fourth, C is the midpoint of AA dash, and let C be the origin. And direction of CA is taken as the positive direction of x-axis. Let CA is equal to A. Therefore, as C is origin, coordinate of A will be A, 0 and coordinate of A dash will be minus A, 0. And let coordinate of S be C, 0 and coordinate of Z be Q, 0. As A is coordinate A, 0 divide SZ in the ratio E is to 1 from S, then by section formula we get A is equal to EQ plus P over E plus 1. That implies AE plus A is equal to EQ plus P. This is number 1 equation. And similarly, for A dash, the ratio of division is minus E is to 1. That is minus A is equal to, by using section formula, will be equal to EQ plus P over minus e plus 1, that implies ae minus a is equal to eq plus p. So these equations are linear in Q and P. So by using these two equations and solving by linear equation method, we will get from 1 and 2, that is P is equal to AE and Q is equal to A over E. Therefore, focus is S, that is AE, 0, and coordinate of Z are A over E, 0. Therefore, equation of directrix become X is equal to A over E. Now, as we know the focus point as equation of directrix, then we can use the eccentricity formula to get the standard equation of ellipse. Let P with coordinate x, y, be any point on the ellipse. Then SP over PM is equal to E. If and only if SP is equal to E times PM. If and only if SP square is equal to E square PM square, where P means the distance of PXY from the line L. So, and SP is the distance between X and P. So, we get that implies S minus AE whole square plus Y minus 0, that is Y square, under root by using distance formula. Whole square is equal to E square. PM distance is P point lying on the equation. Equation is X is equal to AE. A over E, that is X minus A over E is equal to 0. So P point lying on it, that is X minus A over E whole square over under root 1 square. So we get square and under root is cancel out and we get X minus A whole square plus Y square is equal to E square. X minus A over E whole square under root 1 square is 1. So we get X minus AE whole square plus Y square is equal to E square. In the bracket E is common out and we get EX minus A over E square whole square. So we get X minus AE whole square plus Y square is equal to E square and EX minus A whole square over E square. E square and E square are cancelled out and we will get on open the squaring, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB plus Y square. E square and E square are cancelled out and we get E square X square plus A square minus 2AEX. That is, we get X square minus 2AEX plus Y square plus A square E square minus E square X square plus 2AEX minus A square is equal to 0. That implies this is cancelled out by this and from X square and this we will common out X square and we will get 1 minus E square in the bracket plus Y square plus A square is common out, E square minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies X square 1 minus E square plus Y square minus A square E square minus 1. So we get x square into 1 minus e square plus y square. A square in the bracket multiplied by minus 1, we get 1 minus e square. Now dividing the whole equation by a square 1 minus e square, we get x square over a square plus y square over a square into 1 minus e square is equal to 1. So as a is greater than 0 and e is less than 1, that means 1 minus e square is greater than 0. So the product of these two quantities, a square into 1 minus e square is greater than 0. Thus we choose b greater than 0 such that a square into 1 minus e square is equal to b square. Therefore, equation becomes x square over a square plus y square over b square is equal to 1 is called standard equation of an ellipse.